go to Network Monitor, Ping Check, click Create. Under Description, enter System Ping Check. Under Server IP, enter the server IP address. For priority, you may select between 1, which is the highest, or 9, which is the least priority. For this case, we shall leave it as 5. Under Alarm Trigger Mode, for first trial fail, if no response, the system will be marked as failed and the alert will be triggered immediately once all test ping packet fail. For second trial fail, if no response, the system will be marked as failed, but the alert will be triggered on the second failed attempt. The frequency of the second failed attempt will be based on the monitoring frequency upon failure. In this example, we shall select first trial fail. For number of attempts, if number of attempts is set to 0 or left blank, it will be defaulted to 1. For attempt timeout, if attempt timeout is set to 0 or left blank, it will be defaulted to 5 seconds. For alarm threshold, the threshold will be used to trigger the alarm. The value should be lower than the number of attempts. If it exceeds the value, it will only trigger the alarm upon all failed attempts. For monitoring interval time, if set to 0, the system monitoring will be disabled. It is not recommended to set lower than 5 minutes for production system, as ICMP ping will generate a lot of network traffic. For monitoring interval upon failure, if set to 0, the system will use the value defined in the monitoring interval. Under Server Status Alert, for daily option, you can select SMS, email, or voice accordingly at specific timing. If alert is hourly, you can also select SMS, email, or voice accordingly and only set in minutes. under the Send This Message or Alert, the system will use the default message if alert message is set to blank. In this example, we shall leave it as default. Under the server online message, if this field is left blank, no notification will be sent. Under alert mode, you can select continuous, where the system will send the SMS alert based on the monitoring frequency defined, or once only, where the system will send the SMS alert once only upon detecting the server offline, or escalation, where the system will trigger alerts according to escalation level setting. For alert receiver, enter the mobile number to receive alert. For multiple mobile number, enter on a new line. Enter the email address to receive alert. For multiple email address, enter on a new line. Click Save after done.